What's up, guys? We're back. We're going to do the Yellow Rose of Texas 500 gram.
How you doing?
By Big Thunder.
All right, here. Let's see.
You lighting those?
Yeah, we're lighting these first. That will light these.
16
No, whoa, you
shots.
lighting those?
Yeah, we're lighting these.
Which
first.
one you want
Fire
to do?
away.
Let's do this one.
Guys, step
Come
back. Back. Me and Dad are doing the double.
That's fine. Light them up. As soon as you.
Okay.
Just wait. Let's do this one first because we got a video rolling on this one. All right. Here we go.
On for dear life.
Boy. Hey, this is some air.
Fireworks competition.
She get a tickle at the end. There we go. Oh yeah. Nice.
I like that.
Woo!
The only problem was that they shot up an artillery right whenever it was going.
Did they?
Yeah, you'll see like there's a red and green and purple one that goes right off. But okay, that was Yellow Rose of Texas, guys.
Big Thunder.